Hey guys, you know what? I just walked into the store and what I found is this. Just look at this. What is this? This is so cute. It's really cute. Oh, then we find this. This is the egg. Squishy, squishy, yes. Chicken. Oh my god. This is damn cute. अच्छा ये उछलता भी है, sorry. Okay. Then we have this squishy. Oh my god, these are so cute, and especially this one. This is really, really cute. Whatever. Oh, then we have the cheese squishy. Oh my god, look at this thing. It's a penguin. Not a penguin, I'm sorry, it's a duck. Oh wow, it's cute. It's really cute. And one more thing. Oh wow. This is nice. Nice. And look at this. Wow. It's a squishy pet. It's a dog. Oh my god. It's so damn cute. Nice. Then we have. Oh wow. Nice.